Well, it certainly seems so, Julie. Although some of the calls are just people testing out the new 988 system, the call centers in Virginia definitely saw a boom since its launch over the weekend.
It's been pretty hectic.
Over the weekend, when the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline switched to simply dialing 988, Virginia call centers saw a 99% increase in call volume, and officials say nearly 90% of those calls were answered on the first try.
We view the 988 rollout as a big first step in a transformation in Virginia's crisis system.
Bill Howard is the Director of Crisis Services and Supports in Virginia. The Commonwealth was an early adopter of the 988 crisis number, and Howard says the past year and a half helped them prepare for the weekend rollout.
We view a critical point as when someone identifies they're in crisis and they're ready to reach out. And so we want an understanding and a non-judgmental ear to be able to listen to their concerns and get them linked to the appropriate resource if necessary. Sometimes all you need is someone to talk to, but sometimes you need more, and we want to make sure both of those things are taken care of.
Most people probably think of the Lifeline as the number to call for those experiencing thoughts of self-harm. But it's for any Virginian who recognizes something isn't right and might be experiencing a mental health crisis. Family members and friends can also call for assistance in helping someone they care about.
If you called 988, you would be put in touch with somebody who could help support you through your crisis, identify what resources you might need to move forward, and also help you navigate what's a pretty difficult system.
The staffers taking calls are mostly not licensed counselors, but go through 90-plus hours of training on crisis intervention.
These call centers aren't immune to staffing shortages, but over the last month, we've been able to get them up to 90% staffing of their funded positions, and our goal is to get them to 100%.
Howard sees launching 988 as prong one of three in Virginia's crisis response transformation, with the eventual goal of deploying mobile response teams and building out more resource centers.
We're in year one of what might be a 5-10-year process of getting everything built out in an appropriate manner. But our goal is for anybody in Virginia, you identify what your crisis is, and we have the appropriate service to link you to address that crisis, not just falling back on a law enforcement response or an emergency room response or anything like that.
For information on the Lifeline, resources available to those here in Virginia, and more information on it, you can head to Lifeline, 988lifeline.org.